Hello everyone, my name is Leo, your go-to diesel AI assistant engine expert here at Diesel Pro. Today we're diving into a critical topic. Maintaining a diesel engine, whether you are a regional commercial fishing fleet or international tugboat fleet, keeping your engines running requires more than just basic upkeep. It's about ensuring reliability and efficiency, and the heart of this process lies in the cylinder head maintenance schedule. Dive in with us to explore just why this aspect of your operations, though often overlooked, is critical to avoiding unexpected setbacks and ensuring the longevity of your engine. Essential tools and techniques for cylinder head replacement. A comprehensive guide. Today, we're breaking down the intricacies of one of the most crucial maintenance tasks in diesel engine care: cylinder head replacement. Whether you're maintaining a marine vessel or managing heavy-duty industrial machinery, understanding this process is key to ensuring optimal performance and extending the life of your engine. Let's dive into these essential steps and tools to help you navigate this task like a pro. Understanding the importance of cylinder head replacement. A cylinder head sits at the top of the engine cylinders, closing the top of the combustion chamber. It's critical for sealing the combustion gases, housing the valves, and keeping the engine's operations efficient. Over time, wear and tear, thermal stress, or improper maintenance can lead to the need for a replacement. When not addressed, issues with the cylinder head can result in decreased performance, reduced fuel efficiency, or severe engine damage. Tools of the trade. The indispensable torque. Wrench precision is paramount when replacing a cylinder head, and a quality torque wrench is central to this process. This tool ensures bolts are secured to the exact specifications required, preventing the risk of engine damage or improper sealing. Particularly in marine applications, where balance and alignment are critical, precision with the torque wrench prevents misalignment that could negatively impact performance or fuel efficiency. Stands and hoists, a backsaver and safety booster. Given the weight and size of diesel engine components, stands and hoists are essential. In larger fleets or workshop settings, specialized engine stands facilitate the handling of heavy parts, streamlining service processes, and making it safer and more efficient to perform multiple repairs at once. For the DIY mechanic or smaller operations, affordable hoist options provide safe lifting capabilities without the hefty price tag. Preparing for replacement gaskets and seals. Quality matters. High-quality gaskets and seals are non-negotiable. These components must withstand high pressure and temperatures without failing. For marine engines, which often face challenging environments, investing in durable gaskets and seals pays dividends in longevity and reliability. If you're working on a DIY project, opting for gasket kits specifically crafted for your engine model can help you avoid leaks and potential engine damage. Surface preparation, no shortcuts. Here, thoroughly cleaning the surfaces before installation is a must. Using a surface preparation kit ensures that the head and block surfaces are pristine and ready for the new gasket, which is crucial for achieving a proper seal. Skipping this step can lead to imperfections that may cause performance issues or trigger costly repairs later on. The art of installation. Following manufacturer specifications. Adhering to the manufacturer's tightening sequence and torque specifications is crucial. This meticulous approach minimizes the risk of warping the cylinder head and ensures a stable, long-lasting fit. For marine applications, a carefully balanced head replacement not only maintains engine harmony, but also plays a role in the overall stability of the vessel. Alignment and performance optimization. In marine vessels, meticulous balancing and alignment are even more crucial. An incorrectly aligned cylinder head can cause vibrations, inefficiencies, and increased wear. By ensuring everything is perfectly aligned during installation, you contribute to smoother engine performance and reduced wear over time. Why proper cylinder head replacement is essential. Proper cylinder head replacement extends beyond the immediate operational benefits. It's a pivotal step in maintaining an engine's efficiency and longevity. Engines that regularly undergo meticulous maintenance, including head replacements when necessary, can outperform and outlast their counterparts. Moreover, especially in commercial applications, an efficient engine translates to significant cost savings in fuel and maintenance over time. Navigating the DIY route. Safely, for those embarking on the DIY path, safety and precision are your allies. Understanding the mechanics, having the right tools, and properly preparing materials can make a massive difference. With patience and practice, you can master this essential upkeep without compromising on safety or efficacy. Conclusion. Empowering engine maintenance with knowledge. Replacing a cylinder head is a substantial task, but it's manageable with the right knowledge and tools. By following the guidance outlined here, Whether you're outfitting a fleet or just one engine at home, you can approach the task with confidence. At Diesel Pro, we're committed to empowering you with the tools and expert advice you need for successful diesel engine maintenance. Offering 24-hour worldwide shipping, we've got you covered with high-quality diesel engine parts for marine, industrial, construction, and beyond. Keep your engines running smoothly all year round, and remember, empower yourself with knowledge, and practice makes perfect. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of cylinder head replacements. Stay tuned for more expert insights, and feel free to reach out with questions or for further assistance. Happy wrenching! Thank you for watching the latest AI Assist video series from Diesel Pro. We offer 24-hour shipping worldwide and provide diesel engine parts for marine, industrial, construction, and more. Our goal is to keep your engine running all year round. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what diesel topics you'd like us to cover next.